Welcome to Takeda Singapore's recombinant manufacturing plant. Officially opened in 2014, this facility manufactures bulk drug substance for patients suffering from various kinds of blood disorders, such as hemophilia A and B. The site is part of Takeda's biologics manufacturing global network and has around 400 highly qualified employees to produce life-saving medicine that is approved for sale in markets all over the world. The plant is designed with state-of-the-art automation capabilities from end to end. From the warehouse, raw materials are received, scanned and labeled. The entire manufacturing process is highly automated, including the cleaning process. Process automation and electronic batch management ensures process control and data integrity throughout the entire process. The site also incorporates a hybrid of single-use disposable technologies as well as stainless steel bioreactors which operate in a continuous fashion to maximize productivity and manufacturing capacity.
Here at Singapore's biologics manufacturing site, we are guided by values and priorities of patient, trust, reputation and business in this order. By putting patients first in what we do every day, our team of young and engaged workforce is committed to serving the needs of the unmet patients globally. This will build our trust and reputation in the community. In terms of business, we know that as long as we take care of the first three, it will come naturally. As a strategic site in Takeda's global and manufacturing network, we are actively growing this site's portfolio and continuously innovating our ways of working to keep our competitive edge.
In Singapore, our employees see the value in their work and share the same goal every day: to deliver the highest quality therapies for patients all over the world, to have better health for a brighter future.